Question. Find the general solution of the non-homogeneous differential equation y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to 4t plus e raised to 3t. Given that y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 4t plus e raised to 3t. First we consider the homogeneous part, that is y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to 0. Okay, y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to 0. Next we write the characteristic equation, that is here the characteristic equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in m. After solving this equation, we get m is equal to 1 or 2. Okay, we take m1 is equal to here 1. m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. This is distinct real roots. Then the general solution is of the form y is equal to c1 e raised to m1t plus c2 e raised to m2t. Okay, then we get the general solution y is equal to c1 e raised to m1, here is 1. We get e raised to t plus c2 e raised to 2t. Okay, this is the general solution of this homogeneous differential equation. Okay, denoted it as yc of t. Okay, yc of t is equal to c1 e raised to t plus c2 e raised to 2t. Okay, putting it as equation number A. Next we are going to find yp. We know that g of t is equal to 4t plus e raised to 3t. g of t is equal to 4t plus e raised to 3t. Using the rules for the method of undeterminate coefficient, we choose yp is equal to k1t plus k0 plus c e raised to 3t. Consider the function g of t. In this, consider 4t. It is of the form k into t raised to n. Okay, if g of t is of the form k into t raised to n, then yp is of the form kn t raised to n plus kn minus 1 t raised to n minus 1 plus etc. plus k1t plus k0. Okay, k1t plus k0. Okay, so we write here the power of t is 1. Okay, putting n is equal to 1 in this equation, we get k1t plus k0. So we write here k1t plus k0. Next function is e raised to 3t. If g of t is of the form k into e raised to alpha t, then yp is of the form c into e raised to alpha t. So we write here c into e raised to 3t. Okay, here e raised to 3t, we write c into e raised to 3t. Okay, that means yp is equal to k1t plus k0 plus c into e raised to 3t. Clear? Putting it as equation number 2. Since yp is the solution of equation 1, then equation 1 can be written as yp double dash, okay, minus 3yp dash plus 2yp, okay, that is equal to 4t plus to 3t. Okay, first we find yp dash. Okay, yp dash is equal to, we get here yp is equal to this, then yp dash is equal to k1, okay, plus here c into e raised to 3t, we get 3c into e raised to 3t. Okay, next we find yp double dash. Yp double dash is equal to k1 is a constant, derivative of this is 0. Here we get 3c into 3 into e raised to 3t, that is 9c e raised to 3t. Okay, substitute the value of yp dash and yp double dash in this equation. Okay, in this equation, that is here yp double dash is 9c e raised to 3t. Okay, minus 3 into yp dash is k1 plus 3c e raised to 3t. Okay, plus 2 into yp is k1t plus k0 plus c into e raised to 3t. k1t plus k0 plus c e raised to 3t. Okay, 4t plus e raised to 3t. Okay, next we write 2k1t plus here 9c e raised to 3t minus 9c e raised to 3t get cancelled. Next 2c e raised to 3t plus we can write here 2c e raised to 3t. Okay, next is the constant term 2k0 minus 3k1, that is equal to here 4t plus e raised to 3t. Next we compare the coefficient of t. Here coefficient of t is 2k1. Here is 4. We can write 2k1 is equal to 4. Next we compare coefficient of e raised to 3t. That is here 2c, that is equal to 1. We can write 2c is equal to 1. Next we compare the constant term, that is 2k0 minus 3k1 equal to 0. Okay. Here 2k1 is equal to 4. From this we can write k1 is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Okay. From this we can write 2c is equal to 1, that is we can write c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Right. This is implies here 2k0. Okay. 2k0 minus k1 here is 2. 3 into 2, that is 6 is equal to 0. That implies we get 2k0 is equal to 6. That implies k0 is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now we get k0 is equal to 3. Now we get k0 is equal to 3, k1 is equal to 2, c is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the value in equation number 2. We get yp, that is yp is equal to, we can write here k1 is equal to 2, we can write here 2t, k0 is 3 plus 3, okay, c is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 e raised to 3t. Putting it as equation B, okay. Now we get yc of t is equal to c1 e raised to t plus c2 e raised to 2t, and yp is equal to 2t plus 3 plus 1 by 2 into e raised to 3t. Therefore, the general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation is of the form y of t is equal to yc of t plus yp of t. Substitute the value, we get y of t is equal to, here yc of t is c1 e raised to t plus c2 e raised to t. c1 e raised to t plus c2 e raised to 2t. Okay. Plus here yp of t is 2t plus 3 plus 1 by 2 into e raised to 3t. This is the required general solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Clear?